Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a makeup declutter, and this is going to be all nail polishes. I did go through and declutter all of my polishes. There is 56 polishes that I decluttered, and you're going to see them now. And we're not going through by names, but just by brand. So some of these are kind of dried up, unusable anymore. The polish center isn't fixing them, so I will go through and toss those, but the ones that are still good I'm going to give my mom and sisters. We have some Sinful Colors, some Salon Perfect, China Glaze, the Revlon polishes, which I used to really love, but the glitters are unusable, a julep polish, and some of these are like went through and did swatches of similar colors, chose the one that I liked the best or was going to use most often, and kept those and decluttered the ones that I wasn't going to. Random no name LA Colors, Elf, Milani, some OPI, Sally Hansen Crackle polishes, Spoiled nail polish, Sally Hansen, Elf, Salon Perfect, hard candy polishes, Sally Hansen, hard candy polishes, which kills me to get rid of some of these, but some of them are just dried up, Broadway, Color Club, these little minis from Eye Glow. I like them, but I don't like keeping a ton of mini polishes in my collection. So I've used them and I'm going to pass them along. Petite polishes, always so pretty, can't buy them anymore. I kept some of them and decluttered the ones that I don't think I'm going to use. A bunch of LA Colors, so I went through all of them. I own a ton, compared, and just kept the ones that were similar or that I liked best that were closest to these colors. And the OPI, or the Naco by OPI polishes, a couple of those. And that is all 56 polishes I'm decluttering. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more makeup declutters. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you so very much for watching.